Yeah, tape, sellotape. Oh yes, it's just.
Hi guys, so before we get into today's video, I received a package and I wanted to show you guys because I'm super excited about it. I'm going to grab it now and then I can show you guys. This is the package. I'm planning to actually gift this one to Buki. I already have one for my house, but I haven't given him a housewarming gift and I need this to be really good. This is what it looks like. Let's unbox it and get our Bob the Builder on. I'd like to say a huge thank you to KALADO for sending me their cordless vacuum cleaner KCV01. The first thing I noticed about this when I was unboxing it is how weightless it felt. The box was so weightless and how sleek it looked. It's definitely going to be a staple in any modern home. If you're an OG of this channel and you've been watching me for a while, you know in my previous apartment there was a vacuum cleaner there that was a hassle to use, okay? It was so hard to haul it around because I was on the first floor and had to carry it every time I needed to use it, and it could only be used in locations where there were power outlets, and it was super noisy. Like the whole house would know that you're vacuuming your room. The KALADO cordless vacuum cleaner has so many great features, but the particular ones I wanted to mention to you guys is its 40 minutes rechargeable battery life, and it's actually a 6-in-1, which means you have different heads to attach to the vacuum, suitable for vacuuming wood, tile, marble and other hard floor surfaces, and comes with a 2-year warranty service. 2 years is a long time. It has a self-standing feature, which means it can stand on its own. It also comes with a wall attachment to make it easy to keep in your home. I can't say all this without giving you guys a discount, so I have a discount code that is going to give you 39% off the price of the vacuum cleaner. It's only valid from the 19th to the 27th of December, so make sure you're rushing. I'm going to have the discount code on the screen here, and during this period KALADO is also having a Christmas giveaway in their Facebook group, so make sure you're checking that out. I'm going to have the Amazon link to the cordless vacuum cleaner in my description. Make sure to check that out and let me know what you think after you get it. Like give them space to pass.
Yeah, there's no space they can get through there.
Is it behind you still?
Yeah. Can you not see the flashing lights? In the mirror, look in your mirror.
Uh-oh.
The only way I can let it go past me is if I go forward, but...
Yeah, that's true, to be fair.
And that's my fault.
Yeah.
How's
You
it
kept
my
us
fault?
out.
You kept us out. He's the biggest mommy's boy I know.
He's a mommy's boy?
Mm.
What? That is
Not in that way. Don't make it weird.
No, of course not.
Don't make
no,
it
not in a
weird.
weird way. But
Oh,
like,
man.
at your big age, you're still calling your mom?
You wouldn't, if you
get
like see your
upset.
mum, you wouldn't have a cuddle.
Hug, but not cuddle.
It's the same thing.
Is it the same thing? No, it's not.
And the dad could
You didn't cuddle your mum?
You do.
I cuddle my dad.
My mom is not emotional.
Do you actually?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, he feels unappreciated if his mum gets all the attention.
No, I hear that.
What time did you come home yesterday?
Oh, late.
Like 4
It
a.m.?
was like 5:30. And then you two wouldn't shut up.
I fell asleep while you lot were talking about
This guy was waffling.
Yeah, I was like, get me out of here.
It was my fault. I'll take the blame.
It wasn't your fault. I thought you said so. Don't tell Nadia I went.
Yeah. But do you know what? Yeah. It was the deadest experience of
It
my
was-
life.
yeah.
So
Was it dead?
it probably won't happen again, so it's chill.
Was it too
We're
late?
gonna make sure that's not a standard thing, so we've gotta try it one more time.
See, Jack is...
That's the intro. That's the intro.
Yeah, he's in the back. He's putting his stuff in his car. Hello.
Good morning. Welcome back to a day leading up to Christmas vlog. I don't know what I'll name this, but it's morning right now. I'm about to do my skincare, just brushed my teeth. I'm going to be using my kojic acid. And I really hope this thing is not a fake because I know there's a lot of fakes out there, I've heard. I'm going to quickly do my skincare and then we're going to chat a bit. I'm going to leave this on my face for a bit so that we can talk. This kojic acid soap, I was seeing a lot about it on TikTok, so I went to get it and I got it from Temu. First red flag. So far when I put it on my face, I don't feel any irritation. It's supposed to help with brightening up your face, but particularly like making it the same shade. So if you look at my face, you realize I have darkness here around my eye and my lower lip. These parts of my face are brighter, so the kojic acid I'm hoping would like fix my hyperpigmentation like I'm using it together with my glycolic acid, my vitamin C serum, everything else. But I try not to use my glycolic acid every day because it's acid and it can irritate your skin. When you use it too frequently, maybe like 3 to 4 times in one particular week, you start to feel irritation after you apply your skincare, and that doesn't feel like it's supposed to be good. So this kojic acid I can use every day, so I think maybe I'll try it and let you guys know. I don't know much about it, so I can't talk much about it, but I just know it fixes hyperpigmentation on your face. Okay, for the rest of the month I don't have any school, so school went on a break 2 days ago and then I went on a work leave yesterday, so I decided to get out and come here to like spend Christmas here because I don't want to be lonely when I'm there because I'm away from family and I'm alone and stuff. So I made plans to come so we can spend our first Christmas together, and we're actually traveling for Christmas to another country. stay tuned for that vlog. I'm super excited because I've only been to China and Ghana, in UK, China, Dubai. I transited there, but to me it counts as a country I've been to. So China, Dubai, and Ghana. We're going to be traveling for the Christmas, so expect a travel vlog, a Christmas travel vlog. But obviously this video will go up before that, but I wanted to put this video up to give you guys an update of what's going on and why I didn't do Vlogmas, because obviously I'm in school. I finished school in January, so I couldn't spare time for Vlogmas because I have to spend all my time on my dissertation so I can finish hard, because a lot of people were asking me why I didn't do Vlogmas or I wasn't dropping a video. But after I finished this dissertation, it's me and you for life, okay? I look so crazy right now. I can't believe I'm on Beyonce's internet looking like this. But yeah, that's why I didn't do Vlogmas. I just wanted to give you guys an update. We had Chinese again last night. So good. Yeah, the lady I work for got me a Christmas present. I was so excited, but I can't wait to show you guys. I'll show you guys, because I got her a present as well, but I didn't think she'd get me a present, and it's so thoughtful and it just made me happy and anticipate the Christmas, you know, because my family's not here and I'm like, Charlie, we are not come to kill any chicken, we are not come to Charlie. So I was a little bit sad. I think this thing has dried down enough. Let me wash it.
The verse specifically mentions one kind of weight, the sin that so easily trips us up. But there are other kinds of weights and burdens, including relational liabilities. Every relationship that is not moving you toward purpose is weighing you down. Like, maybe you're dating somebody who's insecure and you're always wasting time trying to explain yourself because your boo thinks you have an ulterior motive. When you try to say something constructive to help them, they think you're coming at them because you're jealous of them. But that's not it at all. Is all this helping either one of you, really? Who is around you that's slowing you down? In Hebrews, this whole idea is set in the scene of foot race in a big stadium, with a finish line at the end of the track. Let us run with endurance the race God has set before us. Picture for a minute you on a track. God is saying, I don't want anybody coming into your lane to trip you up, because I have a race for you to run and I want you to run it with endurance. If you run this race I've called you to run, you're going to win a prize and you're going to be satisfied, because what I want to do in your life is better than anything you ever wanted to do in your life. So I need you to trust me. But there's something you got to do. You got to get all these weights off you. Move out if your roommate is a bad influence. Drop the class if the professor is making you doubt your worth. Move on if your friend continues to stir up drama and gossip. Stay away if your teammate encourages you to lower your standards. And please don't put up with that boyfriend or girlfriend who hits you. End the relationship now. What ungodly or unhelpful relationships do you need to put an end to, so that you have room for healthier relationships to take their place?
I shall ready my men, and by tomorrow have horses waiting. Legit.